I'm Jeremiah Lockwood, and I'm with the Emerging Technology and Cybersecurity program. We learn computer repair, we learn about hardware and software, we do networking, and then we have cybersecurity aspects of it as well. My favorite thing I learned so far is probably networking, and because it's fun to make Ethernet cables and connect computers together. After C-Tech, I want to go to Utica College and get a cybersecurity degree and then go into the field from there. This has really prepared me for that track, and I feel like I'm going to have an edge over everybody else. Even though it's just a half a day, I would prefer it to be a whole day, but basically it's like here it's hands-on, you do everything hands-on, while at school you're just sitting there in a desk learning. Yeah, I think I learned more from the hands-on approach because you're doing it instead of just hearing about it. We have a lot of cool stuff we play with. We play with server cabinets like over there. We're getting a 3D printer eventually, and we just get to mess with any other computers that are broken. We go to other classrooms and we fix other things like whiteboards and anything else anybody needs help with. Any problems anybody needs, we're always there, and we always have students that will go down and help. If you want to learn more about emerging tech, go to your school counselor.